everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to cancel Shein Club membership. So first thing you're going to need to do is log into your account in Shein and then tap on this view all under the my orders, tap on that one. Once you do that, you can see this, so just tap on that one to contact the support. And from here, just type in your concern, which is cancel Shein membership club. And then tap on the arrow. From here, just tap on contact agent, this one, and then submit a ticket. Then you can go ahead and select your concern or search type. So we're gonna be looking for the unsubscribe and delete, this one. And then from here at the bottom, just type in your concern. You can put more details if you want, but in this example, I'm just gonna be putting, I want to cancel my Shein membership club. Then you can go ahead and add details about your account, and then you can also upload files. Then once you're done, you just have to submit and you just have to wait for their response. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!